Is this the best all-round bike? Let's find out. 160 disc brakes, disc wheels and cyclocross tyres, carbon fibre forks, 8-speed, and best of all, it's a Boardman CX comp. Woo! Oh yeah, and it's got these gears. I don't know what you call them. So I just took it out for a ride, and I did that to tell you my like the best time opinion. So yeah, the bike, it rolls on the streets like butter. It's like it slips. You know, the wheels, they're perfect. They can go off-road, on-road, like they handle well as well. My stems, I think my stem is 110 millimeters, so it's like perfect size for me. This is a 57-inch frame. So I would say it's time to have a new chain, because this one, it's old and rusty. Look at that. That's bad. So I'll get my bike serviced up. You know, the gears change really well. They're smooth. Yeah, didn't even get that dirty, just the wheels a tiny bit, but that's fine. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. I would say it looks amazing. And I got it off Facebook Marketplace.